In today's video, I'm going to show you how to loop and autoplay your presentation right here in Google Slides. So if you want to put your presentation or your slideshow in a loop or have it autoplay with a few seconds interval for each slide, this is how you're going to do it. So I have an example presentation right here. This is actually just from the templates. And for us to put this in autoplay, so that means that when you start playing your presentation, it will continue playing without you needing to click on the screen to move on to the next slide or any of that. So how do we do this? Well, first you're going to start your slideshow. Go ahead and do that by pressing on slideshow right here. Then you're going to go to the bottom left corner where it will show you this panel right here. So this is your control panel. This is for you to go back, to go to the next one, and to even select which slide you want to jump into. But if you are planning on doing this in autoplay, you can open the options menu right here with your ellipsis. If you click on that, here are options. So one of those options would be your autoplay options. You will have on the right side your play button, where if you do click on play right now, all of your slides will only show for every 2 seconds. So every 2 seconds, it will go to the next slide. It will move on and it will play until the very end of your slides. So if you want to have, let's say, a 10-second interval or a 5-second interval for each of your slide, let's say this is just a fast presentation, you can click on that, then click on play right here at the top. Once you click on play, this will automatically start your counter 5 seconds and then it will move on to the next slide, like so. So another 5 seconds and it will move on to the next slide without you needing to click on the slide for it to move on. So again, this will keep happening until it reaches the end of your slide. So that's how you can do autoplay. Now, if you want to change how long the interval is, you can go back to that ellipsis, then go back to autoplay and select your interval. So you can have it at 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 30, and even a minute. So if you want to do that, just click on it. So right now it's already playing, but now it's going to have a minute before it moves on to the next slide. Now, if you want to pause your presentation, just go back to autoplay and select pause. So now you have the chance to either go back to that slide or move on to the next one in your own pace. But what if you want to loop a presentation? So autoplaying your presentation is different from looping it. Looping it would be having it start from the beginning again once the presentation ends. Now this is best when you're trying to show your slides, let's say for a digital menu. So you're going to have this play all day long on loop by the time you start your presentation. And I have the perfect example, which is again a digital menu right here. So again, this is perfect for digital menus that will be continually displayed on screens in a restaurant. And to have that play continuously with, let's say, a 5 seconds interval from the first slide to the last slide, going back again to the first slide, this is how you're going to do it. Let's go to our slideshow. So we have our first slide right here, and going back to the control panel on the bottom left corner, go to your options menu and select autoplay. On the autoplay, again, you can just select how many seconds interval for every slide, let's say 5 seconds. And to have it on loop, just click on loop here at the bottom. To get that display started, just click on play at the top and it will continue to play these slides every 5 seconds until you turn it off. So again, we are on our last slide right now. And after this, we are going to loop back to the beginning of our presentation or to our first slide right here. And there you have it. That's how you can autoplay and loop your presentations right here in Google Slides. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.